I visited a convenience store which is open recently, and this is where people eat simple meal. And I'm going to buy one of samgak kimbap. Well, let me see. Okay, this will do. Hello, welcome to Junji Kitchen. Koreans use convenience stores quite often, especially young people, students, young people, because you can get almost everything you need is there at once. So sometimes they just eat their meal, simple meal, just dealing with their meals easily with low budget. And I'm going to show you today one of popular uh, meal they usually have in convenience store, which are samgak kimbap and cup noodle. Well, actually, cup noodle is not cooking one, so I'm just going to make samgak kimbap, triangle shape kimbap. Even myself sometimes enjoy this, but every time I eat this samgak kimbap, little bit disappointed because inside feeling is not enough. I just always wish a little bit more inside. So if you can make this at home, then you can enjoy a lot. Anyway, I hope you enjoy today's recipe. I'm going to make two different kinds of samgap kimbap. These two for kimchi spam kimbap, and these three for tuna mayonnaise one. And you need rice and roasted seaweed leva. People use this kind of samgakkimbap seaweed just for samgakkimbap. It's okay. But this time I'm going to use this normal seaweed. And if you compare this, the size, you can make two with this. Two samgakkimbap. There's another tool which help make samgakkimbap easily, like this. If you put some fillings inside and press a little bit like this, well, easy to make, but I don't think you have all of these, so I'm going to make with this. If you see close, this side is longer than the other side. So just fold in half like this and cut in half. You can make two easily. Before start cooking, I'm going to prepare the tuna. You have to open the can. You need to squeeze like this to get rid of any juice. Something could make the filling soggy. Well, I prepared other ingredients too. Spam and kimchi, all chopped, especially the onion, finely chopped. For making kimchi spam filling, I heat some oil and add chili powder, roughly half teaspoon. But chili powder is quite optional. Well, people make this samgak kimbap looks reddish, but you don't have to. And then add spam and kimchi and stir fry all together. Stir fry until any water doesn't come out and you can hear the sound from the bottom. Then it's done. Tuna mayonnaise filling is really easy to make. Just add chopped onion and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Well, you can add more. And season with salt and pepper. Really simple, isn't it? People sometimes put chopped onion in water to get rid of onion taste and squeeze it before adding into this filling. But I think a small amount doesn't need to do that. For tuna mayonnaise samgakkimbap, seasoned rice with a little bit of oil and salt, but not too much oil. This is half amount from 1 pack of cooked rice. And I think you better watch closely how I make this samgakkimbap. For kimchi spam samgakkimbap, it's actually quite easy. Just mix the stir-fried filling with rice like this. But I'm not going to add any oil and salt because when you stir fry this, you already used oil. Too much oil is not that good for making the shape. Compared to the tuna mayonnaise one, you will think it's quite easy to make. I used 2 packets of cooked rice and made 4 of samgak kimbap, but still I got a leftover fillings, so you can make more if you have more cooked rice. Well, finished. But this time I'm going to eat with one of my favorite cup noodle. And this particular one has 3 things inside. This sachet for broth. And this yellow one is a dried egg stuff. This chili oil is for the later after cooked. Pour the boiled water to the line inside, and then cover the lid. I usually put something heavy on the top. Well, it's done. Then you can add a chili oil if you want. It's quite optional. Mix well, and then enjoy samgakkimbap together. Well, how was it? It wasn't that difficult, I hope. The only problem making this samgakkimbap at home is that you have to eat right away after you make it, because that the seaweed, easily gets soggy if you leave it for a while. So I suggest to eat right away after you make it, or just use that product I showed you, the plastic outside, and make it and just open when you eat. It actually keep that crispiness, seaweed's crispiness, quite a long time. Anyway, well, I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. See you next time.